In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to just do a couple of small edits to your final movie clip ready for export and insertion into your PowerPoint. So in the previous video, we added some keynote animations with timings and build orders. Then we exported it, so that we could then import it into iMovie. Okay, so essentially what I'm going to show in the movie is me doing the push-up, and it'll stop here, and at that point then I'll go back to showing the animation. But you can see it's like zoomed in, so we want to change that. To do that, just select the movie clip and then go up to this. Looks like a cropping, well, it is a cropping button, but if you left click on that, you can then change to fit, which is what we're going to do for this tutorial. And then that's pretty much it. You can then play it through and then take any bits off at the end that you don't need. Say, because I think this is too long for that, so I worked out that I don't need these last few seconds. So what I did, just went to the clip. The preview line shows you where you're at in the video up here, and then I press Command B, which just splits that, and then I can delete that last bit. At this point, what you have an option here to then also put in your own narration, which is a good idea. To do that, select your start point, have your script ready, and you can see it of course in the video, but also have it somewhere you can read it, and then press the record button, microphone, and then I'll just stop it there. But then you get the 3, 2, 1, and then as soon as the 1 expires, you start doing your narration, and it'll put it down here. You might not get it right the first time. That's fine. You can just select the narration, delete, and then start again. That's a really good feature to have on that video, I think, just to back up your text. After that, the final thing is to export this so we can then insert it into the PowerPoint. So you go up to File there, and then Share here, and then select File at the bottom. What this will allow you to do is then select some properties for this to be exported. So make sure you're happy with the title, which I'm not. I'm just going to call it Science Push-Up Energy. Okay. This movie describes how, with actually chemical energy is transferred into mechanical. Chemical is transferred into mechanical energy during a push-up. So you might want to change that. Select 1080p, please. Quality high. Compress faster, and then press next. Save it to the desktop for now, and then it might take a while depending on how big it is. And this is a little like a preview or a completion circle, and it starts to fill up. Which I won't record all of that, just showing you the progress that iMovie is going through to convert this into a movie that you can play in your PowerPoint. And then once it's done, just insert. And that's it. This video showed how to split the clip, trim it back a little bit, add in some narration, and of course how to export the final iMovie project into a video file that you can play in other programs such as PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.